Hey, beginner prospectors! Dreaming of finding real gold? Tired of just panning by hand? Today, we're breaking down the amazing Trommel Wash Plant in the simplest way possible. Manual panning is exhausting and slow. You're stuck moving tons of dirt for tiny results. There's gotta be a better way, right? Enter the Trommel Wash Plant. It's a rotating drum machine that washes and sorts your material automatically. Super helpful for small-scale miners. Here's how it works. Dirt goes into the hopper, then into this rotating drum. Water washes everything while the drum spins. You feed your gravel and dirt right here. The trommel does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. As the drum rotates, bigger rocks tumble out the end, while smaller material falls through the holes. High-pressure water sprays wash away the dirt and clay, leaving just the heavy stuff behind. The material flows down the sluice where gold gets trapped because it's heavier than sand and gravel. And boom! You find beautiful gold flakes and nuggets with way less effort. Trommel wash plants make prospecting faster, easier, and way more fun. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be finding gold in no time. Like and subscribe for more simple mining tips.